tinatawag na first stage. Ang first stage involves only the entrance and exit control with a CCTV. Diba? So it's only the access and the visual dun sa may mga area na may camera.
Supervision mga gano'n.
Talataba.
Binagnak ng nakawal sa loob ng building. O mag-prevent ba yun? Mag-prevent ba yun?
Ang itong system hindi pa. Pero susunod na system, yes. Kasi susunod na system, hindi may CCTV surveillance.
Sa ngayon,
Sa ngayon, hindi pa.
can only document crime. Kung may lumabas na.
Yes.
Pero yung prevention ba?
Prevention wala
Ito
pa.
wala kasi prevention.
Wala pa. Yun yung second stage. Yung second stage.
Document kayo. Pinakawala yung bahay.
Babayad ulit natin pag-usapan ng bayan.
Ma-prevent natin yung crime.
Yun yung second stage.
Second na.
Yeah, yung second stage. Ay, only yung second stage kung the board would have the consensus. Okay, ganito. I will, in response to your, I will give you a live example. Do you know SPDMC, Subic Bay Development and Coordinating DMC and Management Company? SPDMC is a locator. Yung alam mo naman SPMA, di ba? SPMA is yung Subic Bay, kinonvert yung ano. Then, itong SPDMC is a Taiwanese group. Nag-commit ng isang lupa sa SPMA. Then, dinirect sa mga factories, mga manufacturers. So, they employ, if I'm not mistaken, they employ 28 guards. Doon lang sa compound nila to oversee. Di ba? And then they use our system. Wireless system. Naglagay sila ng total up to now is nasa 10 na camera. Yung camera namin kasi yun, kung makikita nyo sa Ortigas area, MMDA, yung pwede i-zoom 250 meters, 250 meters. So total is 500 meters.
Yan sinasabi muna.
Okay. Gumamit sila ng 10 ganyan. Then they reduce the guard by 1/2. They have only 14 guards now. So, ang natipid niyang 14 guards by 2 shifts, that is 28 guards. Times kung 10,000 a month, that is 280,000 a month. And then they have using our system for 2 years. That is around 5-6 million pesos. Yun yung na-save nila. And then our system is cost only 1.5 million to them. And ang nangyari kasi doon is may mga area, kasi ganito, ang guard, actually, I myself is a member of Homeowners Association. Kaya alam ko yung mga problema ng isang Homeowners Association. Ngayon, ang guard kasi, yung mga bad elements, alam nila yung rota ng guard. And then, believe me, ang visual, mas mabilis kaysa lakad. Malayo pa lang, nakitang, ay, tumarating yung guard. Muna tayo. Lumagpas yung guard, pwede nung isahan kasi sa ibang street na sila. Diba? Pero yung camera namin, isang zoom, 250 meter. Biruin mo, within seconds, 250 meter kagad. Makita mo yung mukha ng tao.
At ito yung system namin nag-zoom?
Ha?
Yung system natin na
No. Yung susunod. I'm discussing about the security na. Security side na.
So yung what is, sinasabi niya na ganito, yung system natin may tinatawag na backbone yan eh. Am I correct? Diba? Parang backbone yan.
Yes.
Lalagyan mo lang ng ng another system, dadagdagan yan. Pero naka-prepare na yan para sa atin.
Yes.
Ngayon, ang gagawin lang natin, if this system is appropriate for us, then the company will sell it to us for a fee. Yan, pero naka-ready na lahat. Yan ang ina-explain ng ating ni Mr. Pua.
Yeah.
Information.
Actually, binention sa akin ng previous administration na meron ibang nag-offer, meron ibang company nag-offer na mas mura sa amin. Pero hindi yan in-avail. And then, yun din palagi, yun yung pinapaliwanag sa kliyente ko. Na I'm selling the system not for a higher profit, but because I use those devices which is expandable, integratable, para hindi masayang. Kasi, mahirap yung bebentahan kayo ng ganyan, and then later on, pag may ibang kailangan, sasabihin, Sir, Madam, hindi pwedeng itong system, kailangan another system. Then all the money spent had been wasted.
Yung CCTV namin existing, assuming we'll buy the second system. Are we going to throw away dating CCTV namin?
No. Kasi yung mga pwesto na nilagay is for fixed. Ibig sabihin, talagang nakatutok lang doon, monitoring that
Yes.
lang.
Before you arrive, one of the directors here, Ian, arrived around 12:17 in the evening. That morning, and then the following day, tinignan niya yung system, tinignan niya kung naroon, kung ano makikita niya sa kotse niya, kung tumaas, baba. The car was indeed there, walang problema. Pero the problem is, yung the spirit of the CCTV in identifying the car, especially the plate number. Hindi nangyari yun eh. Kasi, tsaka yung mukha, I expect yung mukha medyo malabo.
Yung mukha hindi.
Kasi nakatint karamihan dyan, katulad kay Joel, talagang super black ang kay Joel. Kung makasalanan ka, talagang super black ang harap ka ng tint mo eh.
Mainit ka.
Yung mainit. Hindi makita sa loob. Pero yung plate number, nakita ba Mr. Tony?
Hindi.
So,
Makikita mo kung saan location pero hindi mabasa.
so yun nga ang ano namin ngayon, yung clarity, how do we correct that as early as now? Do we have to change the CCTV para ma-identify namin
No
yung
need to change. No need to change.
yung
Kasi
CCTV?
ganito. Ito, let me explain this. Actually, I have a comment on the position of the CCTV.
Okay.
Pero,
So that we can continue na mag-participate yung mga nasa audience. We'll call the secretary first to determine whether there is already a quorum or
isasarado lang.
yeah, sarado lang.
May quorum na tayo.
Hindi, dapat wala. Kung wala, we'll invite them for a,
For the
para makasali
discussion.
sila.
Mr. Chairman, out of 15 directors, at present, we have only 7. So 8 are absent. So we have no quorum, Mr. Chairman. So being there is no quorum, I call for the adjournment of this board meeting
Alright.
tonight. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Gentlemen, you can join us now para sa
Okay tayo ba?
informal.
There will be a formal discussion.